Oh God! No! Why am I getting all of it? Bendy, help me! I'm Sonic. Just because there's bad games doesn't mean I can be in here. Help me. I also have a teddy bear in there. Bendy, Alice. King Dice is getting worse at it. Why me? I think they're absorbing all the water. Working nice. Why me? And the only reason all these toys are in is because Cuphead had like a bad spot around his eyes. So did Mugman, Bendy. And I just decided to watch a few that I've been playing with, like Cuphead, Mugman, and he'll be in a previous episode, so I just wanted to roll the dice. Bendy is gonna fight him again in the other video. Sonic is gonna be in a TPM movie. There. Oh, by the way, Teddy Bear's in there from the zombie apocalypse. Oh yeah, you see that Mugman's glove? It got like drenched in dirt while it's gone. Now the water is actually starting to pick up. Uh-oh. Slimy, Barbie, help! Oh yeah, Spongebob's in there. I don't know why, he just looked dirty. He's at the bottom now. Okay, let's get a closer look at all the other toys. Oh yeah, Puphead's in there. How's Junior's in there? Oh yeah, there's also a Tide Pod in there, and my socks. What are you doing here, Faye? It is on Sensing Wash. It hasn't gone to any of those. No, help! I think Bendy's dead. I think they're all pretty much dead right now. gosh, it's filling up. Bing! Oh yes, you're doing it again. Help! Viewers, you have to help us get this video to at least 5 likes so that you can help us escape this twisting evil of doom. Okay, is it done? Okay, it's not done. Well, Spongebob can't drown. Well, he doesn't know how to swim either. He lives in a brine lake, which is really different from a real ocean lake. Brine lake has more dents, so it basically pulls Spongebob down. Only like stuff like bottom feeders can go down there. Also, I forgot if I told you this or not, but the only reason all these toys are in here is because Cuphead has a little spot in his eyes. And also, he's in there because, well, you know, he has hair all over him. His eyes are getting all dusty. Oh yeah, Alice Angel's also in there. Where is she? Did I forget to put Alice in there? No, she's in there. She's in there. She's at the bottom. find Mario, so I couldn't put him in there with Sonic. Oh my gosh, this video is already 10 minutes. The limit I'm putting it for is 13 minutes. Remember guys, if you're still here, get this video to 5 likes and you can save all these beautiful toys. That being Cuphead, Mugman, Bendy, Sonic, Alice, Puphead, Spongebob, Bowser Jr., King Dice, and the Mr. White Teddy Bear. I forgot your name. Did I say Bowser Jr.? I think I did. Save all of these beautiful toys if you get that video to 5 likes. But if it's something like 1, 2, or 3, then they'll stay in here for the rest of their lives. I think Cuphead's dead. He's been down there for a while. And like, he's been back up for a while. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, remember guys, get this video to 5 likes so that you can save all these beautiful toys. Goodbye.